You are standing at a control loop in the field. The outlet flow is oscillating. The valve stem will not stop moving. You have not changed a single thing. This is control valve hunting, and if you leave it, it will destroy your equipment. Hunting happens when your control loop reacts faster than the valve can physically move. The controller detects an error, sends a correction. The valve overshoots. The controller corrects back. The valve overshoots again. This cycle repeats endlessly because the feedback is never in balance. The most common cause: the controller is tuned too aggressively. Proportional gain is too high. Every small error triggers a large valve move. Integral time is too short. The controller resets before the valve even finishes moving. The loop is nervous. Stiction, stick and slip. Tight packing or a corroded stem makes the valve stick. The controller output builds up trying to move it. Then the valve breaks free and overshoots hard. The controller slams it back. You can feel this. Stroke the valve manually. If it jumps, that is stiction. A positioner deadband set too tight chases measurement noise. It corrects errors smaller than the valve can handle, hunting on nothing. On top of that, low instrument air supply or moisture in the air lines makes the actuator sluggish, and every stroke overshoots. Here is what you cannot see. Inside the positioner, a nozzle flapper mechanism converts position error into air pressure. The feedback bellows senses the actual stem position. When the deadband is too small, the flapper oscillates 10 to 50 times per second. Invisible, sealed inside the housing. Pumping air pulses into the actuator continuously. Here is the field procedure. Step 1. Switch to manual. If hunting stops, it is tuning. Step 2. Manually stroke the valve. If it jumps, it is stiction. Step 3. Connect your heart communicator. Check and increase the positioner deadband to 1 to 2%. Step 4. Retune. Reduce proportional gain by half. Increase integral time. Put it back in auto and observe. Before, continuous oscillation, energy wasted, equipment wearing out, process unstable. After the fix, smooth rise to set point, quick settling, no overshoot. Hunting means your control loop is faster than your valve. Slow the loop down. Respect the valve's physical limits. And the system settles.